we're going to see sell and strong sell signals before a massive drop. Sell signal, drop, sell signal, drop, sell signal absolutely decimated the market here. So we have a very consistent pattern here. But if we take a closer look, whenever we are near the tops of this structure resistance, Bitcoin is officially broken below this ascending structure support level. And is this going to result in a catastrophic drop in Bitcoin, or are we going to bounce straight back up to create a third touch on our $38,000 resistance? There is one crucial data point that we need to be paying attention to. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. Let's dive into it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident LLC, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us in today's video, and if you enjoy it, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. We're so excited to trade with you. If you head over to the description of the video you're watching right now, go ahead and scroll down and click more. You can take advantage of our Black Friday sale up to 80% off our indicators. You have 1 week left. Time is running out. Do not miss out on the biggest sale we've had this year at the first link. You can join our membership with 95 wins, 0 losses on our trade calls, daily crypto metrics, and our $1 million profit account challenge at the second link. And you can join our Telegram channel to get all the alerts we have for you for free at the third link. Before we jump into it, I have a brand new crypto forecast for you. Huge 30 to 50% Bitcoin drop expected at this level. Multiple points of confirmation revealed. You do not want to miss this video. You're going to head over to the tradeconfident.io website, go up to future forecast, and you're going to be able to watch the video right here. It's the very first one, brand new members only content released today, November 17th, showing crucial pieces of data everyone should be looking at right now and what's called the Bitcoin cycle mid-top. This is a pattern that is repeated every time in previous Bitcoin halving cycles. Travis is going to show you multiple data points where he thinks Bitcoin could head up and then see a potential 30 to 50% crash. On top of that, we have brand new trade setups for you to check out. We posted 2 potential quality trade setups below. Take a look at this link on our website. You're just heading up to trade setups, and you can see here we have 6 active trades. Now, these trades are reserved for members only, but I can tell you both of them have an 8% take profit, and as the bull market continues, we'll be looking for higher and higher profit per trade, with a combined total of a possible 16% profit. With that, let's head into the Bitcoin metrics. The very first metric we're going to take a look at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. As of today, we've dropped into neutral territory. Now, previously, this was very bullish. You can see right here, we saw pretty significant moves up afterwards, but I think upwards momentum might be running out, and at this point, we may actually post a lower low. If we post a lower low on Bitcoin and the price drops below this previous little level right here, this may actually signal a much more significant drop, in which case we'll be waiting until we see anxious, as we saw here, here, and here, for the next moves up in Bitcoin. Next up, I want to talk to you about the Bitcoin volatility breakout detector, because volatility is decreasing at this point. If we don't see a move below the structure support, what we're actually seeing is an upward trending channel pattern. This is actually a small amount of volatility, and as this plays out, you're going to see less and less volatility in the market. But beware, because as soon as we drop into the breakout zone, just as we saw here, 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 and here, this is where insane volatility happens. In fact, this one right here called the massive pump that put us to where we are today. The last time this happened saw a significant pump as well. So watch out for that. But this metric does not guarantee a move up. It's only going to show you if a big move is incoming. If you want to determine the direction of the move, you need to be looking at the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric, because where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And at this point, after a massive drop, we are still seeing a little bit of short trade sentiment, but as the price drops, I think we may be seeing more long trade sentiment again. Any amount of long trade sentiment at this point is going to be very, very bullish, so keep an eye out for that. This metric shows what whales are likely to do soon. The next one here, the Bitcoin Whale Money Flow relative to price chart, shows what whales are doing right this second. As of the update, we saw whales are actually beginning to move money into the market, which correlates directly with a bit of sideways movement instead of a continued drop. If whales continue moving money back into the market, this should push the price up and will actually continue the uptrend because we saw a higher low. However, if whale money continues dropping out of the market, which is equally likely, we're pretty much half and half or around the 55 mark here on this chart, then we're likely to see the price drop. And if once again we drop below the structure support, this is likely to be a significant move to the downside. So beware of that. And next, I'm going to take you down to the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels very quickly. $31,862 is a possibility. I'll show you more structure supports we need to pay attention to a little bit closer on the live chart, so stay tuned for that. And last but not least, the Bitcoin trade signals chart has not yet posted a signal. As the price moves down, especially if we break the structure support, we will be looking for a buy signal incoming. Anytime we're getting buy signals, this is where we're seeing moves back up in price. And if you trade Bitcoin, you need to pay very, very close attention to these metrics. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market goes too. And on top of the Bitcoin metrics, members get access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website. They're going to get access to the insane future forecast video just posted today, trade setups, 2 new ones with a combined profit potential of 16%, Morning Brew overview, Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming up in just a couple of weeks. You do not want to miss this. If you want to talk to us live, get some coaching, have your questions answered, be sure to join us for that. And our members get massive discounts on our indicators. If you want all these money-making benefits and more, go ahead and snag a membership at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the membership's going to be the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. You're going to want to snag the full access for $59 a month, but keep in mind this is a limited time special. Lock in your membership price now because price increases are coming. All those benefits I just showed you and more, just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. Here we are on the live charts. I'm going to throw a lot of data at you really quickly, so you're going to want to pay attention. We're trading Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame for now using the TC top and bottom finder price versus well money flow and trades in favor indicators. On the 1-day time frame, you are seeing a candle has opened and is currently below still this structure, previous support, and is now resistance. If this candle closes below this, this could indicate a breakout to the downside, in which case we would very likely see a drop to at least this region here between $34,000 and $35,000. But if you watch Travis's future forecast video, you're going to know there is potential for a much more significant drop. On the 1-day time frame, price versus while money flow is high, trades in favor is still high with a 60% chance of a drop, and this is where I'm expecting continued moves down once again between these two levels to start. But if we head over to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see whale money is pretty high as we reject the structure resistance. Price versus when money flow is high, and this indicates an overbought signal. When whales are overbought, they're more likely to sell out of the market, and as whale money drops, the price is likely to drop too. Do not be fooled by this 82% chance of a pump. Yes, this is bullish, but we're only looking to actually make trades when we see both price versus whale money flow low and trades in favor low. If we don't see that, then it's more likely we're going to continue dropping because whale money is the main market predictor. They're literally called market makers, and that's for a good reason. And lastly, I want to take you up to the 1-week time frame, and this right here is the one signal I was talking about, the one signal that if it posts will absolutely decimate Bitcoin. Right now, we're seeing price versus whale money flow high with whale money moving out of the market. We see trades in favor really high with a 92% chance of a drop, and because these two match, this is very bearish by itself, especially after testing an active structure resistance. Now let's check out a few signals here. I'm going to move all the way back up here. We're going to see sell and strong sell signals before a massive drop. Sell signal, drop. Sell signal, drop. Sell signal absolutely decimated the market here. So we have a very consistent pattern here. But if we take a closer look, whenever we are near the tops of this structure resistance, we are getting sell signal, move down, sell signal, move down, sell signal, move down, and all of them move to or very close to this structure support. And check this out here. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. Price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, sell signal, move down. I mean, the pattern can't get more clear here. If we get a sell signal here, we already have price versus while money flow high, we already have trades in favor high, and on the weekly time frame, this shows a potential move back to the downside. And I'm personally thinking if we grab a horizontal line here, we could drop as far down here to intersect previous structure support and multiple touches on the structure support as well. Back here, multiple places. I think we could fall as far down as $29,000. Now, you heard me talk about this in our video yesterday, but this is becoming more and more likely. This candle right here closes very, very soon. And if we get a sell signal, this creates an insane likelihood of a significant drop. Once again, we're still looking at $35,000 to $34,000 first, but if we break through that, $29,000 is very, very likely. And from the current price, this could be a drop of 20%. 20.41% would be the drop in Bitcoin. This is absolutely insane. And with that, if you're a trader actively looking to enter Bitcoin right now, it could be very risky, especially at the top of a pump. This is where things carry the most risk. And we have a strategy for that, a risk management strategy that's going to help you no matter what. And I want to show you that. We're going to head back to the 1-day time frame. And if you're someone that's really bullish, if you're a permabull here, all the power to you. If you're looking to enter a trade around the $34,000 to $35,000 mark, I'm not saying this is a good entry or you should. It is up to you what you do with your money. But if you do, I highly recommend risk management, especially with that looming 1 week sell signal. What you're going to want to do is select the TC top and bottom finder and turn on take profit, show market order, buy limit 1 and buy limit 2. I'm going to close off the drawings right here to make it a little more clear. What you're seeing right here is our risk management strategy. Let's say the price drops down to around $34,000. You're seeing price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. And if you see a buy signal, it could be a great entry. I'll admit it. It could be a great entry. If you decide to enter at that point, what I personally like to do is turn my trade into 3 equal parts. I'm going to split it up, and the first one is going to go directly to a market order at the current price. This way you have immediate skin in the game. You are ready to make your next trade. From there, I'm going to set my take profit. If the price moves up and breaks through that take profit, congratulations, easy trade win. But let's say the price begins dropping. We have a plan for that too. Remember, we split our investment into 3 equal parts. The first one goes to a market order, the second one is going to go to a buy limit 1, and the third one is going to buy limit 2. And the prices for each are shown right here and right here. You just got to set that buy limit in your personal exchange. Now, what a buy limit does is, as the price drops, if the price drops below, say $28,000 right here, it will automatically purchase the amount you set at that price as soon as the price drops below this. This means that as the price drops, you're going to automatically buy the dip. Since you have a market order already, this is going to split your break even between these 2 levels. Now, your break even is the point at which you become in profit. It's going to sit right about here. So now, instead of the price having to rise all the way back up to $36,000, it's going to be somewhere in the middle, somewhere around probably $32,000. So as the price moves up, you're going to move into profit faster. But remember, you've now doubled the amount of money in the market too. So this increases your profit potential in multiple ways. And if the price drops below buy limit 2, I don't think it would at this point, but there is a possibility. You're covered by that. It's going to lower your break even further, and you now have 3 times the amount invested. This is the risk management strategy we have used every single day in our trades. And on top of that, these are the indicators we've used, and in our membership, we are now 95 wins, 0 losses, and I'm betting by the end of this year, we'll easily make 100 wins, 0 losses for 2023. It is all thanks to these indicators, and you have just a short amount of time to snag them for a massive 80% off. It is our Black Friday sale. It ends on Black Friday, of course, which is a week from today. Do not miss out on this. Snag the indicators at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The indicators are going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll take you to the Black Friday indicators sale. Scroll down here. Members get a massive $250 off our Pro Indicator pack. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Purchasers of the Pro Indicator pack get an additional $400 off for the TC top and bottom finder as well. Once you have your membership, click access coupon code, write that down, then click Pro Indicator pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in the membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you a massive $650 discount. Go and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the future forecast video. Don't miss out.